welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm doing an unboxing, a review, a demo of what is possibly the most advanced and most amazing iPhone 14 series case on the planet. This is the ESR Krystec Clear iPhone 14 series case with HaloLock MagSafe technology. Yeah, that's a mouthful, and that's because this tiny little case, very simple and unassuming, is amazingly awesome and powerful, and like I said, definitely one of the best cases on the planet. So what makes it so special? It is completely clear, as you can see, but there's a lot of clear cases out there. What makes this unique is that ESR has developed an advanced technology. Really, only them and Apple are the only two companies on the planet using this technology right now to completely minimize the amount of TPU in this case, which makes it extremely anti-yellowing. So TPU is what tends to yellow over time. You know how you get a crystal clear case, but then after 6 months it's kind of yellowing. PC doesn't yellow so much, but TPU does yellow. But PC isn't flexible and TPU is, and it's got to be flexible so that you can get your phone in there, right? So ESR uses an advanced technology that uses mostly PC and just the minimal amount of TPU in this case in order to prevent yellowing. On top of that, they add a UV coating on the outside that adds additional protection, so much so that they offer a 24-month warranty on this case, and after 2 years you're not going to see yellowing. It'll be imperceivable yellowing even after 2 years. That's how much they believe in this case. So let's just check out the crystal clearness first. I'm going to hold it up to the lens, and you can check out my hand through the case and just see, you can see through there perfectly. Again though, it's not really, a lot of cases will do that at first, and then 6 months later you'd see a really bad yellow hue, but not with this case. Because of that advanced technology they're using to make this case, minimizing the PC and minimizing the TPU and focusing on PC, but just having just enough flexibility to get your phone in there, that makes it great. On top of that, you've got this HaloLock technology, the most powerful magnets used in any case. In fact, these magnets are more than double the strength of the magnets in an Apple branded MagSafe case. That's how strong they are. Once you put this on something, it's not going to budge, and I'll demo that for you in a minute. So that's what makes this case so awesome, but it has other great features as well. All the features you would want in a case. So let's get it on my phone and make sure it's locked in there, and let's check out all the features. First off, let's check out these buttons. Now, these button covers are great. They are made from hard PC, but they're housed in slightly flexible TPU, so it gives you a nice click. Like when you click these buttons, it's a really nice click. Great feedback. You've got a nice wide cutout for your do not disturb button. Over here on the other side, same thing. It's a very satisfying click. Is the only way I know how to say it. Really works great. Down here on the bottom, you've got all the cutouts that you would need for your speakers. Oh, let me get that so you can see that. There you go. So you can get cutouts for your speaker, as well as nice wide cutout for the lightning port so that you can plug your power supply in there without any issues. Just looking on the back right here, you can see how crystal clear that is. That purple hue of the purple iPhone is able to shine through because of that Krystec technology, that clear technology. Really, really great. Also, you've got nice protection for your camera, nice large bezel around the camera, so if you lay it flat, you're going to be safe, as well as on the front, same thing. You've got that nice bezel. You can see that raised lip all the way around the front to protect you, and you've got nice corner protection. Now, you can see what's great about this case is it's not thick. It's a very nice slim fit case, but in the corners, you can see you've got these nice, slightly raised little air pockets to protect in case you drop on the corners. Most dangerous place to drop a phone, or for a phone to hit if it's dropped. And you've got nice protective air bubbles in there to make sure your phone stays safe, and just works great. Now, the grip, it's a really nice grip. It's not slippery at all. When I hold this, I can hold this with 2 fingers, and yeah, my fingers, they don't even slide on it. It's really nice and grippy, so that's great. You don't have to worry about this sliding out of your hand accidentally. If you're holding on to it even lightly, it's not going to fall out because it has a great grip. So they developed this HaloLock technology. It's one of the most powerful magnet sets on the market. So you put that on there, and you can see, you can shake it around. It's not going anywhere. It's holding on. It's going to grip strongly because that HaloLock technology is super, super strong. The magnets on this are great, and that's what I love about HaloLock. Once you have this attached to any MagSafe compatible car mount or bedside mount or a ring you put on there, whatever you're using it for, it's gonna stay because it is those magnets are just so strong. Really excellent technology with the HaloLock. These magnets are more than twice as strong as the magnets on the Apple MagSafe cases, so you know you're going to get great grip with this MagSafe technology. So if you are looking for a clear case for your iPhone 14 series phone, and if you are looking for one, you want to get MagSafe because MagSafe is one of the coolest things about the iPhone 14 series. This ESR HaloLock Krystec Clear case with that advanced non-yellowing technology is definitely one of the absolute best cases you could possibly get. Crystal clear, allows the beauty of your iPhone to shine through, will not yellow over time, and you've got that super strong HaloLock technology, all the protection you need. Really, this is the case to get. It's a really excellent case and definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.